I have been ever evolving, and just like the AI which is taking over the world, it's me who is always up to something innovative, creative, and something unique. As you will be seeing in this video, this is a small sample which I could be doing in the near future. As in the mosaic painting, if you see with an individual grid view, then you won't be able to understand the greater picture. But if you take time or zoom out from the current grid, then you will be able to see the large scale whatever I am trying to build. As you can see in this video, it's not just some random car video, but this is the interior of the car, which is unlike my rest of the videos where I used to make my car. It was from the exterior third person perspective, but right now, as you can see, this is the first person perspective in this video where I'm trying to drive. So at the moment I am able to create a very definite structures like 3D model or the non-living objects, mostly the items which we use on the daily basis, and I'll be ready once I'm done with the sculpture and the rigging techniques which I'll be learning in the coming months, which I'm planning accordingly. And here in this screen you are seeing a piece of paper which I have used today to make this particular video. As you can see, the formulas which I have been using in this video is something which I usually teach to my children as their exams are coming near, and not only do I teach them, but I also apply them on the daily basis. I have used some of the maths like coordinate geometry and statistic formula which involves cumulative frequency. And in case if you don't understand whatever I have spoke just now, you can join my classes. See you in the next video. Until then, all sorted.